Hello everyone, today we will learn HTML coding. Let's open Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Open your folder. You can choose anything, any folder. I select my folder. We will add new file. I'll name it index.html. You can make exclamation mark, then press enter. It will make the main code for it. You must write in body because body will make in the page. First, you will go extensions and search for live server, this one, and you will enable it. Okay. Then go to our code and down you will see go live. Press on it. You will see our page. Here, if we wrote lesson 1, and you can make this option auto save to auto save, because if I turn it off, look, let's turn it off. Okay, look what will happen. Look like this. It's still on. It's not made it. You must click on refresh to refresh, and here must save. Then here, 1 second. Here, okay. Auto save is easier. Here I will write H1 to make heading. It will be big text. This named element. Also, this is element. Anything like with the greater than and less than is named element. And some elements has only like here input. You will see only it's one element, not not two. One is opening the element and one is closing. You can see like this, only one element close and start the element. Here we have H2. Also we have until 6, H3, H4, H5, H6. If you try to make H7, you will not see it. You will not find it. Here, A, 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 like this. This is for the title, and this is for paragraph, and this is for the subtitle, and all this is for like the paragraph, and also this. You can write a paragraph. This is the paragraph element. Hello, everyone. We, one second. Hello, everyone. We are learning HTML. That's the paragraph. Okay. And also, you can make button this. Click me. You can make action like here on click, then right here the action, but we will not take it now in our lesson. We finished our lesson today. I think it's very easy language, the programming language, the HTML. And thank you for everyone. Goodbye. See you next lesson, inshallah.